Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make meringue without oven full guide. Start by separating eggs carefully and bring whites to room temperature, then whisk until soft peaks form. Slowly add castor or superfine sugar a tablespoon at a time, ensuring each addition dissolves. Use a splash of acid like cream of tartar or lemon juice to stabilize. Keep beaters moving and test for glossy, stiff peaks before shaping or chilling. To make meringue without an oven, you can gently cook sugar into the whites using a double boiler or careful microwave bursts. Keep whisking constantly to avoid scrambled texture and monitor temperature if you aim for a Swiss meringue style. For Italian meringue, heat sugar syrup to dissolve sugar fully before streaming into whipped whites. Both methods give you glossy, stable meringue ready for piping, baking alternative finishes, or chilling. Once your meringue has stiff, glossy peaks, transfer it to a piping bag for neat nests or dollops, or spoon rustic kisses onto parchment. For a toasted finish without an oven, use a kitchen torch briefly, aiming for even browning. Alternatively, chill to set for a softer interior. Keep meringues dry and airtight to maintain texture, and avoid humid days for crisp results so they last and stay delightful for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.